Have you ever wondered what happens to your soda can after you toss it into the recycling bin? Today, we delve into the world of metal recycling, an unsung hero in our daily lives that often goes unnoticed. Metal recycling is a critical process that plays a significant role in conserving our natural resources. Imagine this. The soda can you just discarded is more than a piece of trash. It's a treasure trove of reusable material. By recycling this can, we are reducing the demand for raw materials, thereby preserving our natural resources. But it's not just about conservation. Recycling metal is also about efficiency. It takes far less energy to recycle metal than it does to extract it. This means we are saving energy while we are saving the earth. Believe it or not, that soda can could be back on the grocery shelf in as little as 60 days, ready to be purchased again. So, how does your soda can transform from trash to a brand new product? In the grand scheme of things, your soda can's journey begins in your home. You finish your drink, and instead of tossing the can in the garbage, you do the responsible thing. You recycle it. This is where the adventure starts, the collection phase. This can, along with millions of its kin, gets collected from recycling bins across the city and taken to a recycling facility. Here, the sorting phase kicks in. A fascinating dance of machinery and human intervention separates the metals from each other. Aluminum cans, like your soda can, are separated from the steel and iron using a giant magnet. It's a process as cool as it sounds. After the sorting comes the shredding. Your soda can is compacted and shredded into small, manageable pieces. These pieces are then melted in a large furnace. Here, your soda can, once a holder of your favorite drink, transforms into a molten liquid. This is the processing stage. But don't worry, your soda can isn't losing its identity. It's merely taking on a new form. The molten metal is then poured into large blocks called ingots. Each ingot can contain as many as 1.5 million recycled cans. Now, that's a lot of soda. These ingots are then shipped off to manufacturers. They're rolled out into thin sheets, ready to be made into new products. Your soda can could become part of a car, a new bicycle, or even another soda can. This is the journey your soda can takes. From your hand to a recycling bin, through a complex ballet of sorting, shredding, melting, and remolding, and finally, into a new product. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to preserving our environment. Remember, by recycling, you're not just getting rid of waste, you're contributing to a system that reduces the need for new raw materials and decreases the amount of waste sent to landfills. It's a complex process, but one that results in a valuable new product with a significantly smaller environmental footprint. What if I told you that recycling one aluminum can could save enough energy to power a TV for 3 hours? Astounding, isn't it? That's the magic of metal recycling, a process that not only reuses valuable resources but also saves a significant amount of energy. Imagine if we repurposed all the soda cans we use daily. The energy saved could be enough to power entire cities. Recycling metals like aluminum requires only a fraction of the energy it takes to produce them from raw materials. For instance, recycling aluminum uses a mere 5% of the energy needed to extract new aluminum from bauxite, the ore from which it originates. But the benefits of recycling extend far beyond energy conservation. When we recycle, we are also actively reducing the amount of waste that ends up in our landfills. Metals, unlike some other materials, can be recycled again and again without losing their quality. This means that every soda can you recycle could potentially come back to you as another soda can, or perhaps as a part of your bicycle or even your car. And let's not forget about the environmental impact. The extraction and processing of new metals contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. By recycling, we are directly reducing these emissions and helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. So you see, recycling is not just about reusing materials or saving energy. It's about creating a sustainable future, where our actions today have a positive impact on the world tomorrow. It's about understanding that each one of us has an important role to play in preserving our planet. Recycling is power. It's the power to make a difference, the power to change, and the power to preserve. It's a simple act, but its effects echo loudly in the grand scheme of things. So, the next time you're about to throw away an aluminum can, remember the power you hold in your hands. But as with anything, there are challenges in the way of achieving 100% metal recycling. Let's talk about some of the hurdles that stand in the way of this goal. First up, we have the issue of contamination. This happens when non-metallic materials mix with the metals during the recycling process. These contaminants can significantly reduce the quality of the recycled metal, making it less valuable and more difficult to repurpose. Then there's the problem of consumer behavior. Many people are not aware of the importance of metal recycling or simply don't know how to do it properly. In some cases, metals end up in the general waste bin instead of the recycling bin, which means that they go to the landfill rather than the recycling facility. And let's not forget about logistical issues. Collecting, sorting, and processing metals for recycling can be a complex and expensive task. Not all regions have the necessary infrastructure in place to handle these processes efficiently. So, how can we overcome these obstacles? For contamination, technology is our friend. Advances in sorting technologies can help to separate metals from contaminants more effectively, improving the quality of recycled metal. To address consumer behavior, education is key. We need to raise public awareness about the importance of metal recycling and provide clear instructions on how to do it correctly. As for the logistical issues, we need investment in recycling infrastructure. This could mean building more recycling facilities, improving transportation networks, or developing more efficient recycling processes. Remember, while these challenges may seem daunting, they are not insurmountable. We have the tools and the knowledge to overcome them. All it takes is a collective effort from all of us. We can make a difference. We can ensure that more metals are recycled, reducing waste and helping to protect our environment. Overcoming these challenges requires collective effort, but the rewards are worth it. So, where do we go from here? How can we ensure that every soda can get a second chance? When we gaze into the future of metal recycling, we see a landscape of innovation and advancement. As technology evolves, so too does our ability to recycle more efficiently and effectively. Imagine a world where advanced sorting machines separate metals with a level of precision and speed that was once unthinkable. Picture innovative smelting processes that not only recycle metals but do so with a significantly reduced carbon footprint. But technology alone won't shape the future of metal recycling. Government policies will play a vital role in promoting recycling and creating a sustainable environment. Initiatives like extended producer responsibility could make manufacturers more accountable for the life cycle of their products. And legislation that encourages or even mandates recycling could significantly increase the number of soda cans that get a second chance. The future of metal recycling is also in our hands as consumers. Our behavior and choices can drive change. By choosing products with recycled content and responsibly disposing of our waste, we can create a demand for recycled metals. This, in turn, can stimulate the recycling industry and contribute to a more circular economy. Moreover, education is key. As we learn more about the importance of recycling and its impact on our world, we can share this knowledge with others. We can teach our children about the journey of a soda can, instilling in them the value of giving it a second chance. The future of metal recycling is not a distant dream. It's a reality that's being shaped day by day through technology, policy, and behavior. It's a future where every soda can has the potential to become something new, reducing our reliance on virgin materials and helping to protect our planet. The future of metal recycling is bright, and every one of us plays a part in shaping it. To sum it all up, the journey of metal recycling is an intricate yet powerful process. From the moment you finish a soda to the can's transformation into a brand new product, every step matters. Undeniably, recycling is a force to be reckoned with. It not only conserves our precious natural resources, but also reduces pollution and energy consumption, yet it's not without its challenges. The issues of contamination and the need for more advanced technologies are hurdles we must overcome to ensure a sustainable future. But let's not forget, we all play a part in this process. It's our choices that fuel the recycling industry. Our individual actions, however small they may seem, contribute to a larger collective impact. So next time you finish that soda, think twice before tossing the can. Remember, every can counts. Your choice to recycle today could make a world of difference tomorrow.